These 4 players make their way to beat the big grid and has the chance of winning 500,000 pesos as we bring you Multi-Grid and the star of Multi-Grid, Dream Guard!
Thank you very much, DJ Stephen, and welcome to Multi-Grid. Well, this is your newest game show right here on our show. Now, we're going to meet our players. We have Mr. Undone, Cutie Crush, and Cutie Imogen. Welcome to our show. So, without further ado, let's play Multi-Grid. Now let's reveal the board. It contains 1 to 35 numbers. So players, take a look on our multi-grid. So Mr. Andon, let's start with you. So it's for our freestyle number.
I would go to number 8.
What number?
9. Number 8.
Number 8? Alright, go ahead. Let's see. First number 8. Oh! Alright, here's number 8. Alright, TCP, your number. TCP 9. And Chichit, your number. Number 5. Let's see, number 5. That's our first freestyle. Now let's start with the questions. Here's our first question. Who owns TVH Network? The one who's the fastest will answer. We'll play our first number. If you want to, all right. Yo is right. So TCP, your number. 25. Here's your next question. Hangout with Mamon can be seen on Cool FM and this network, who's also owned by Mamon. Yes, TCP. LVM2. LVM2 is right. Pick your number. 19. Reveal 19. Alright. Here's your next question. Who is the CEO of Tesla? Anyone would answer.
Elon Musk.
Elon Musk is right. Mr. Don, your number.
Number 17.
Behind 17. Anyone to guess? Alright. Since wala pa nag-guess ng ating puzzle, here's our next question. What is the world's largest ocean? The largest ocean. TCP says Pacific, and Pacific is right. Pick your number. TCP. 13. Anyone who guess? Still wala pa rin. Alright, we'll still continue.
SB19.
Alright, is it SB19? That's right! Since your answer is SB19, you've gained 5 points. Mr. Andan got 5 points. And round 2 will continue after this break on Multi-Grid. And welcome back to Multi-Grid Round 2. It's a little bit more on our game show supremacy that we will have round 2 to have additional 5 points. So, in the top of it all, 10 points for the correct puzzle. Now, players, reveal the grid. Good luck to all players. Let's do freestyle. Start with you, Mr. Andan. One number. TCP. And Chit Chit. Chit Chit. Chit Chit Merienda, are you still there?
10.
Nandyan na yung 10, nandyan na yung 17. We'll wait for Chit Chit Merienda. Are you still there?
9.
You'll improvise instead. Mr. Andan, you'll still continue. One number. Alright, 9. Let's start our question and answer. Who is the main rapper in Blackpink? Anyone would answer. Wrong, sadly wrong. TCP and Mr. Andan, you will also steal. Once again, who is the main rapper in Blackpink? Lisa is still wrong. Aside from Blackpink Lisa, who is the main rapper in Blackpink? Aside from Blackpink Lisa, right? TCP or Chit Chit, Mr. Andan? Alright, no answer. So, yes! Yes, nakahabol pa rin si Chit Chit. It's Blackpink Jennie. Now, is your control of the board? Reveal one number. 2. Once again, our category right now is anime. If you don't know that, here's your next question. Who is the youngest Beanie member? The youngest Beanie member. Mr. Andan? TCP? Once again, the youngest Beanie member. Youngest Beanie member. Alright. Anyone? Gwen is wrong. So the correct answer here on the question is Beanie Sheena. Right, it's Sheena. Alright, TCP, you're now controlling the board. 12. Anyone who guess?
It's Dragon Maid.
Dragon Maid. Mr. Andan is right. Alright. So, Mr. Undone, get it right. So, last time you have 5 points and now you have 15 points. Congratulations. While TCP has around 4 and Chit Chit has 2. Stick around for round 3. We'll be right back after this on Multigrid. Welcome back to Multigrid. And now it's round 3. Because this run is very special, we added a prize worth over 25,000 pesos. Reveal the grid. Now let's start with our freestyle round. And Mr. Undone starts with number 7. Reveal 7. And no, this is not a white screen, it's another puzzle. Don't be fooled because it's not a white screen. Anyways, let's continue. TCP chose a 17, so let's reveal number 17. And lastly, Chit Chit chooses number 5, so let's reveal also number 5. Here's your questions. What is TVH karaoke channel?
Cool sound.
Cool Sound is right. Pick your number.
Number 24.
34. Upright. Now, you have a chance to match one more number, any number. If there's a prize hidden, you might win additional 5 points or 25,000 pesos. Any number will do, Mr. Undone.
I put this 28.
28. Let's see. Sorry. There's no prize. So we'll continue. So once again, ang number is 34. Let's reveal it. Here we go. Here's the next question. Trending today, who is the Chinese mayor in Bamban, Tarlac? Alice Go is right. Now, pick your number. TCP, pick your number. 25. He got the 25,000 bonus. 25,000 bonus. Now, anyone who will guess? Wala pa rin. Alright, let's continue. Who is the main character on One Piece? Luffy. Luffy is right. Continue our number. You control the board, Mr. Undone.
Number 18.
18.
Okay.
Alright. You want to solve the puzzle?
Yes. It is SMC.
Alright, go ahead. SMC Manila. Let's see. That's right. That means you just won 25. You just won 25 points. That means 250 pesos. And you have a chance to play the bonus round. And of course, don't worry, TCP and Cheat Cheat Merienda, you just also won a cash prize worth over 10,000 pesos. Thank you very much for joining our game show multi-grid. Congratulations. Now let's join Mr. Andon with the bonus round after this on multi-grid. All right. I have here now is Mr. Andon on our studio to play the bonus prize worth over 500,000 pesos. If he can make it, he might win 500,000 pesos. And if he cannot, he would win 100,000 pesos. Now, Mr. Andon, good luck to you. Let's play bonus round on multi-grid. Let's reveal our 9 numbers. Once again, each answer you gave will eliminate all of the numbers. Whenever all the numbers you gave is correct, you might win 500,000 pesos. Alright? So, the category you gave me, you have is category envelope number 3, which is one pop group and one artist or idol. So I will ask you the pop group name, and you will answer the K-pop, D-pop, or OPM idol. Alright? You have 60 seconds on the clock. You might win as fast as possible for 60 seconds, alright? Ready ka na? Are you ready, Mr. Andon? Alright, good luck to you. 60 seconds starts now. Beanie. Right. BTS. Right. Twice.
Pass.
Blackpink.
Jisoo.
Right. And Hypen.
Nikki.
Right. SB19.
Stel.
Right. New Jeans.
Kami pass.
Elite.
Pass.
Select number 3. Twice. Stray Kids. Number 9. Alright. And time's up. So you just have 6 numbers answered. That we have 3, 7, and 8. So that means you didn't win 500,000 pesos, but you just won 100,000 pesos for winning our bonus one tonight. So, anong masasabi mo sa ating game show multi-grid?
Masaya sila po na nakagaling mo ka dito.
Alright. Thank you very much for joining us here on multi-grid. And I'm very happy to have this game show to be premiered tonight on TVH, KBC2, and all the other networks right now. And until again, I'm Dream Car Karaoke, and you might win 500,000 pesos as you and other players might make their way to overcome the Big Grid on Multi-Grid. Good night, everyone.
This is Stephen Guardadoso speaking. Multi-Grid is produced by KVC in association with TGON Productions.